Hello guys, good day. Today we are here introducing this new Dr Pen M8S. Okay, this is the latest model. Okay, this is the box. Okay, and here is the security label. With this security label, we can check it. We can verify. Okay, all real Dr Pen has this security label. Okay. Okay, this is box. Now we open. Okay, inside with this very nice plastic box. Okay, Dr Pen. Okay. Okay. And this is a main pen. Okay. Okay. We take out all parts. Standard box comes with 2 picks, 18 liters, 18 liters cartridges. Okay, standard with 2. Okay. This is the power adapter. We also have the Europe EU plug. Okay, EU plug and UK plug. Okay, different country we send different plug. Okay, no worry. And this is the USB 9. Okay, with type C interface. Okay, and this is short user manual. Okay, very detailed. Okay. Click here, we can start the pen. Okay, here is the LCD screen. We can adjust the speed level to 1, 2, or 6. Okay, it has 6 levels. Okay, we can check the speed level from this LCD screen. Okay. Okay. And here we can adjust the needle length. Okay, we can adjust the needle length. Okay, from 0 to 2.5. Okay, we can adjust the needle length. Okay. Now we put one leaders on the pen and test. Okay. This new cartridges has an anti-lock, anti-backflow function. Okay. It with 3 locks design. Okay, 3 locks design. Okay, you see 3 locks design. Okay. Okay, for example, we are at 0.5. Okay. Okay. We can adjust the speed level. Okay, this is the highest 6 level. Okay, very fast. This is level 1. Okay. It's very beautiful pen, right? Okay. It with a Type C interface. Okay, Type C interface. See it when you're charging. Okay, for charging. Okay. Alright, this is the newest Dr Pen M8S. Hope you guys like it. Okay, thank you very much.